Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying your crutches. Tips secure, straps snug, and height set so elbows bend about 20 to 30 degrees. Once done, move close to the top of the stair and place both crutches one step below you. This gives support while you shift weight. Make sure your good leg is ready to move first. It will take the load. Move deliberately and breathe. The goal is stability rather than speed, so set a steady pace and repeat the setup if anything feels unstable. You place both crutches down to the next lower step and test the support before committing your weight. This prevents slips. Once the crutches are steady, shift weight onto them and move your injured leg down gently. Keep it slightly behind if non-weight bearing. Then bring your strong leg down last, using it to control descent and balance. Make sure to pause between motions and keep your torso upright. Leaning forward increases fall risk, so maintain core engagement and deliberate. You complete the descent by planting both crutches securely on the floor and shifting your weight gradually onto your feet, allowing the strong leg to take more load first. Once stable, step both crutches forward and stand upright. If you feel a slip or instability, stop, reposition the crutches and test their tips. Wet or smooth surfaces need extra caution or a railing. Practice 1 to 2 steps until the pattern feels natural. That repetition builds coordination and reduces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.